having a party and I needed to restock my Sterno fuel cans. This is a 12 pack, which translates into like a 6-hour burn right out of the package. These are professional and a dependable option for those parties, those buffets, those holidays. The design is a simple twist off top design. The cans are so sturdy and they're built for long, steady heat with no fuss. Why I keep buying this. The burn time is genuinely impressive. A full 6 hours, consistent heat. My food is going to be hot and I'm not going to have to worry. I hate when you walk by and the Sterno is down and your food is cold. Easy twist off cap is going to make opening, lighting, and resealing smooth and mess free. I also like that the flame is always consistent and reliable. Gives me peace of mind. But would I buy again? Absolutely. I'm stocked up here for quite some time. But Sterno is the gold standard for that fuel. That 6-hour version is the most dependable option out there. I don't have to worry. I don't have to keep checking it. It has a long burn time. The heat is steady and the cans are easy to handle. So if you want your food to stay hot from the first guest to the last plate, this is absolutely the pack I would choose over and over again. Highly recommend.